Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have an unboxing and I have no words. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, and today we do have an unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I have a very exciting unboxing. I don't even know how to start this video because I don't really have an explanation, you guys. I got this piece from Redilux on Instagram, and I've been following them for a super long time. I'll have them linked in the description, all that good stuff. It's not sponsored or anything, but I did get my first piece from them. So we're gonna unbox it today, and if you saw from the title, you know it's a Chanel, you know it's from the 23P collection, so let's just get into it. I don't want to keep you waiting for too long, and I also just don't know what to say regarding this. I don't have any excuses. This is not a blind unboxing. I have already opened this. If you watch my vlogs, then that is where I did my blind unboxing. I wanted to show it to everyone on a main video. I will have my vlog linked in the description if you want to see my first true reaction to this beautiful bag. So on the inside, when you open it up, I think it's something like redeeming luxury resale. Oh my god. This comes with the Chanel box and everything. This is like my first time actually having a full-on Chanel box with the ribbon and all that good stuff. So this is like my first time doing like a proper Chanel bag unboxing. I've done Chanel unboxings that have been like card holders, sunglasses, stuff like that, but never like this actual bag. Like, oh my god. This is one of my favorite unboxings that I've done ever on this page. I know that I recently unboxed my brown Chanel Classic Flap, and I know I said that that was like my favorite unboxing I've ever done. That still is probably true. I think that my brown one is still my favorite. I'm looking at it right now because it's so pretty, but this one is probably like my second favorite. Like it's just crazy. So anyways, without any further ado, oh my goodness. And then when you open it up, here is the beautiful like tissue paper. I did a pretty good job of keeping this in like good conditions. Can you already kind of see it? Oh my god. So the first thing on here is like a little thank you card from Redilux. It says, "We hope you're in love with your new purchase. Truly, it means the world to us that you chose Redilux." And basically just like let us know on social media. With love, Hunter and Georgia Swain. And then we have this little envelope that has a really cool, like, what is this called? Embossed? No, there's a word for this. It's like we use a ring and you go like that. Impress? I don't know. Anyways, it says Redilux on it, and then when you open it up, it's basically just the authenticity papers for this bag. So it shows you like exactly what the bag is, but it does say it's the certificate of authenticity from Redilux, because they do go through and certify all of their bags. And then here she is in here. Oh my god. And then also at the bottom, you do get this as well. Now, I don't know if you get this with every single purchase, but mine came with it. It's basically the Chanel booklet. So it also came with the retail tag. I don't want to show you too much info because this does have the information of the bag on it, but it also comes with the Chanel little booklet here, and then this is the little wiping cloth, and then it also comes with the little picture booklet as well. But going to the piece de resistance, we have this beauty. So regarding this bag, you can tell it's a classic flap because it's got the beautiful quilted dust bag. Let me know in the comments what you think that the color is. Again, if you've seen my vlog, you already know what color it is, but don't go cheat. Don't go look at my vlog and then come back here and comment. Like, don't cheat. Just if you watched this video, just if you saw this one first, comment what color you think that this is, because this is from the 23P collection. So it was last year. I will give you a hint. It is a color. I'm so excited. One thing that I do want to say before I do this unboxing is I know that I just unboxed the brown Chanel Classic Flap about a month or so ago. Like, I know a lot of people would be like, hey, don't try to justify yourself. You don't need to tell us anything. Just enjoy your purchase. And I thank you, that's great. It's just, I don't want people thinking that I just buy these bags all the time. Like, I don't. The Chanel, the brown one, was definitely a special situation. We got to keep more on taxes. It got offset very quickly, so that was why I was able to buy that one. And then regarding this one, I also sold a bag as well, but also when it comes to this one, my mom did buy my vintage Chanel Classic Flap. Now I know, please don't kill me, because I have said over and over and over and over again that I would never sell that bag. I did sell it, but it's going to my mom, so that kind of makes me feel like better in some way. I don't know why, but it just makes me feel better. And also in my head, I kind of thought that if I ever did sell the vintage Classic Flap, then it would go towards a newer Classic Flap. That offset this bag quite a bit. So that's why I was able to go ahead and get this one. Anyways, here's this. Can you? Ah! Oh my god, it's still such a shock, and I've been using this bag for a few days. Oh my god! Do you see this? I'm speechless. So yes, you guys, this is the Chanel Small Classic Flap, again from the 23P collection, and this is in the color light blue. And let me just tell you, this color is not showing up the best on camera because it pulls a lot lighter. It has this undertone. It's not just a typical sky blue that you would see. It's more like a periwinkle. It looks kind of like a purpley blue. That is my favorite kind of blue, is where it has like a more purpley undertone. I don't love it when the blues are just so like light to where it just looks kind of like the sky. I mean, the sky color is very nice, but it's like different. It has depth to it. So it is kind of like a sky blue, but it's just, it has a purple undertone, kind of like a lilac undertone, to where it really does look not like a blurple. It's not that far into the purple category. You understand what I mean. It does have a little bit more of a kind of like a lilac-y undertone. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, and then here's the other side, and then the bottom. This bag is in pristine condition. There's absolutely no flaws, nothing wrong with this bag whatsoever. It's brand new. Of course, it has the little Mona Lisa pocket, and then it does have light gold hardware. Oh, and also, if you might have already noticed, this one is in caviar. My brown Chanel Classic Flap that I have is in lambskin. So I'm so happy that I was able to find this color in caviar, because I love lambskin. Lambskin is probably my favorite. I think I prefer it over caviar, but I am very happy to have a bag in caviar because it's my first one. Like, I can have like one and one. I can have one in lambskin and then one in caviar. Are you gonna be able to tell? I will do like a full-on video, the difference between lambskin and caviar, and I'll do like a comparison, but here's the outside, and let's open her up. And also, you guys, this is my first microchip bag. I feel like I don't know, I just feel so awesome when I say that. It's my first microchip bag. But yeah, here is the first flap, and then here is the beautiful second flap. right there. And then when it comes to the microchip, can you see, I don't want to open it too wide, but can you see right there? That is the microchip on the inside. And then of course it says, here's the strap. And then the inside of the bag, I'm sure you could see, but it looks exactly like our regular classic flap on the inside. I love the inside of the bags. I love that they just match so well. And then here are the straps. And of course, she's a small classic flap. This is my favorite size. I have had a medium classic flap before. It was in like this Tiffany blue color, kind of like a bluey green. And I did end up selling that one a while ago, but that was my only medium. But I actually prefer the smalls. I do think the medium is a better bang for your buck, but I just love the small, especially in a color. I think if I were to get a medium now, I would do a black or maybe like a gray, something like that. Something a little more neutral, but for a color like this, I would definitely do a small because sometimes I feel like a medium or a jumbo, when it's like a bright color, can be a little much. Here she is, you guys. I can't get over it. This bag is absolutely flawless as well. One thing that I also love about Redilux is that they make sure to really inspect each bag, and I think that their process is pretty strict because like I don't think that they will accept a wonky bag. Sometimes you've seen Chanel's in store and the quality is just not there. I really think that Redilux is not going to allow a bag to come in that's like crooked, or if the CC is misplaced, or if the Mona Lisa pocket is on wrong. I think that they only accept like excellent or pristine handbags, which I love. And like I'm looking at the stitching and everything on the bottom, and everything looks totally fine. There's no like really weird stitches or anything like that. It's genuinely in pristine condition. So now we're gonna go into what fits in this bag. And to be honest, it is pretty much the same as what would fit in my small brown classic flap, but I still just want to show you in case you haven't seen the other unboxing. I will link the brown classic flap unboxing as well in case you want to watch that one too, but in case this is your first video of mine and if you're just now finding me, I will show what fits inside of the small classic flap. First of all, I have my card holder. This is like my lavender kind of purple card holder from Louis Vuitton. I love it. I love this card holder. It's so fun. So I just kind of put that in here and it does fit no problem, of course. And then you can of course fit your phone in this bag. I typically do not put my phone in my bag ever. I just don't usually carry it. I usually carry it either in my hand or in my pocket. But for the video's sake, I will put my phone in my bag so you can see that it does fit. And I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max and it does fit no problem. And then I have my little, what is this, mirror. I don't know why I wanted to call this a coin pouch, but no, this is a mirror, a little Chanel mirror of all things. And I usually put my mirror, kind of just depends, but I usually just kind of put it in the back, like right back there. It's that red thing back there, if you can see. I kind of just Tetris things in there and just line them up. And then I have my AirPods right here, and they can just go on the other side. Can you see that down there? It's in there, it's just my AirPods. My headache medication in here, and then I have a hand sanitizer just on top, and then I have my Summer Fridays lip balm that just goes on top as well. I would not typically carry my phone in my bag, like I said, but I do want to just show everything that it can fit in here in case you like to carry around a lot of things. But this would be too much for me to carry. The way I can tell it is if one side is a little more full than the other side, you can tell in the flap. Like you can tell here, I feel like it's not as even. Maybe I'm just wrong, maybe it is even, but I feel like this side is a little down and this side is a little up. Yeah, you can totally see that. It's because I usually would not fit this many things in this bag. I do not carry my phone. So what I would normally do, I only just carry my wallet, my mirror, my AirPods, headache medication, hand sanitizer, my lip balm. Maybe I could get some sunglasses in there as well if I really wanted just to like put them on top. So now that you can see, now that it's a little less full. You can see that the flap here is straight. Yeah, there's not one side that's like more lifted. That's pretty much all I fit in my bag. I know that, you know, depending on what you carry, you can mix and match, you can take something out, put something else in. This will also fit a mini pochette accessoire if you're someone that likes to carry those catch-alls, but I just would be careful because I do worry about stretching out the leather and making it misshapen. That's one thing that I definitely don't want to do. But yeah, this is my new Chanel and I have already been wearing her. She has been going with me out and about. I'm so happy to have her for the spring and summertime. I just can't wait to keep using her, and also she's caviar. I'm glad that I have a colored bag that's caviar. If she was lambskin, I would be a little more on the cautious side using her because I know that lambskin can do color transfer like easier than caviar, I think. But I'm just so relieved that this is in caviar and I can just carry it whenever. And I don't think I really have to even worry too much about like color transfer or, you know, anything along those lines. But yeah, this is my new baby. Let me know what you think of her in the comments. Let me know if you love this bag. Let me know if you also have anything from the 23P collection. Let me know if you are wanting a bag like this, if this is on your wish list. Just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!